Hey guys, so I just finished washing my hair and now I'm ready to use the Revlon one-step hair dryer slash volumizer. So excited. I will warn you though, I'm pretty sure it's pretty loud after watching some reviews. Oh, let me put my silk blowout, the protective deep conditioning. So, made by Organics. First time using it. They actually told me to just, well, the instruction says just put it on the ends of the hair from mid sections to the ends of the hair. So excited. So excited. And here we go. The settings are cool, low, and high, and of course off. So I'm going to put it on high because usually that's what works for me. Wow. Wow. Nice. Silky. I am impressed. I am so impressed. I love it. I just love it. So easy. So much easier than, oh my god, I hate that. I hated that. Hated it so much. So, I've noticed that some of the other brands don't have this feature. And this makes it so easy to do the controlling motion of blow drying my hair. Man, when I tell you I'm never going back to a blow dryer. Ever, ever, ever again. A blow dryer is not going to be a part of my hair styling ever again. Okay, so I'm done that part. So excited. I'm loving it. I love it. It's so soft. So I'm just gonna put this brush on. Really good at this. Girls, look at this. Look at it. Nice and silky. Don't even really gotta straighten it. Just gotta, do a few touch-ups. But, girls, come on. Tell me I can't rock this like outside, inside. With a few touch-ups. And talk about volume. Girls, my hair never looks this good. For real. I love it. I'm so never going back to a regular blow dryer again. Buying all my friends and family one of these things. I do need to touch it. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love this. I really, 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 really love this. This made this job so much easier. This job is just now so much easier. I don't know what else to say. Other than that, okay now, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and my family's channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed one.